wish your girlfriend was hot, 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 hot? Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was raw like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? Don't you? Don't you?
Listen, you see this get hot every time I come through. When I step up in the spot, make the place sizzle like a summertime cookout. Proud for the best chick, yes I'm on a lookout. So banging, shorty like a belly dancer with it. Smell good, pretty skin, so gangster with it. No tricks, only diamonds under my sleeve. Give me the number.
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was raw like me? Don't you wish your...
Looking mighty fine. November 8th, it's almost night, and the last time the boat was right here outside, but now I don't see it there, so it's no longer on the trailer. It must be in here somewhere. Let's go find out, right? Oh, it's on the other side this time. Hey, gracias, buddy, pal. Haha, yes, sirree. Here we go. Ready for winter. I'm not, but I'll have to do. Yeah, here she is. Because there's going to be about 20 centimeters in forecast for tomorrow. That's 6 to 8 inches, so I'm glad that she's inside. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, it's getting dark fast. I just wanted to see my baby before the snowstorm. So, yeah, all good here. I got plenty of room here if I need to do something underneath it. But in the spring, it doesn't look like it. It's all nice and sleek and, yeah, perfect. I'm gonna have some room here to do some buffing. At least the bottom part here, and then the top part while it's at the dock. So I just climb up on the deck for fun. That's the perspective. I got about 10 inches of clearance up there. That's really good. Yeah. Quick inspection, just for fun. Make sure that everything is fine. And it is. Like always, it's perfect. There, I couldn't resist. I put the lines back in their places on the sides there on the railings. So, yeah, feels a bit better somehow. That's our baby's spot there for the next 7 months. But, yeah. That was a fantastic summer, right? All those souvenirs. And lots of videos coming this winter, like I mentioned many times before, for that purpose, to get us going. Me especially, because, yeah, looking at those boating videos with all the blue sky, right, and wearing a t-shirt. And what's fantastic, too, is that just before the boat came into the tent, it was outside on a trailer, of course, and there was a heavy rain, and oh my gosh, all the dust is gone. She looks so pretty. I'm happy about that. Now I gotta find my way down there. Wish me good luck. Well, my friends, that was a short visit here, but it's getting dark now. Getting pretty cold too, waiting for the snow to come in tomorrow. So yeah, winter is here. It's real. So yeah, back to the drawing board there for boating during the winter. Well, today is November 9th, my friends. In a few hours, the snow begins. So, yeah, let's have a last look there at the dock without the snow. And my friends, this is the before the snow, and we'll see soon enough in a few hours during and after the snow. And Gracias is down there. First time that it's on the left side. Doesn't matter really, it's just fun to talk about boating. I'm 3 boats deep. 1, this is 2, actually. Right there on the left. Here she is. Looking mighty fine. You can be proud of yourself, big girl. Yeah, you've been to the Georgian Bay. What a magnificent ship. You too, Dingetta. You did really well. So, one of the next jobs I'm going to do is the sacrificial rods, or I don't know, those are not rods there, but you know what I mean. Let me change this here. This one, this one, this one, this one. There's another one here on the trim tab. A couple of them underneath the boat. Lucky me, just a few minutes away, there's a company that redoes isinglass. So I think I'm going to do without the mosquito nets because I've never used them once. I've had the boat for 4 years. I did that whole big vacation. I mean, if I would have needed them, I would have used them by then. So, and it's going to be more clear inside. So we'll see. Yeah, maybe it's going to be a winter project. Speaking of isinglass, the ones in the front, they're kind of getting yellowish a little bit, but the ones on the sides at the back, they're still fine. The dilemma that I have is that I mentioned that the isinglass are fine on the back and on the sides. However, there's a one that's cracked on the side at 3 places. So is that what's going to happen to the other ones this winter, next summer? Should I change them right away or wait? So I think I just made a decision. I'm going to replace the 3 in the front where they're getting kind of yellowish a bit, and then the one on the side that's cracked, and I'll wait for the other ones to crack or something like that. Just in case some people are interested into knowing about the different motors on the boat, here's what it looks like. So this one here is an outboard motor, just because it's completely outside of the boat. In comparison to this one, which is a inboard outboard, also known as a stern drive, and it's a single motor. They can also be lifted, so that's convenient if you're going to be in an area where it's shallow and you don't want to just damage the propellers. This one has 2 propellers. And looking here, we got the stern drives duals. Comparing that with Gracias with straight shafts. So we got 2 motors, got 2 shafts. You can see the bar right here. And the way that the boat moves, it's with the rudders here. The steering turns this and then steers the boat. And here's the other shaft. And what's this beautiful component here that's hydrodynamic and looks like a jet? Well, there's another one on the other side too. You've guessed it likely. They're the mufflers. If not, goodness gosh, the twin roaring 454s would be roaring like heck, especially in the locks. And another view from here. the shaft. And oh, here there's like a hole, and that's the intake for the generator to cool it off. There's another one here, an intake, water intake for the starboard motor. It goes into the strainer, and then the water filtrates through the motor and comes out here. And here it's the for the generator. Same thing on the other side. So the water intake here is for the port motor. And you also have another one over here. What's that one for? The air conditioning. Yeah, very important on the boat. And with that, the rest of the boat under here is flat, just for us to enjoy the water in the summer of boating. A few more anodes is going to be needing to change. 2 here, 2 on the other side. And even though this looks murky a little bit, once it's washed, it looks impeccable, just like this here. That's part of boating, right? To keep it up nice and clean. So what's with all the little buttons here on the side of the boat? That's one. There's another one here. And it keeps going. Another one here. 3 here. 1 there. And 2 more down here. And another one here. And let's not forget there's 2 more over here. It keeps going. We have 3 here. 2 here. 1 here, and that other small one down there. But it's not over. 2 more here, 2 more here. Same thing on the other side. Plus this one here. There's another one like that on the other side. There's another one like it just on top here. That's the other one. And the other one on top is of course I managed to come on the boat. Why not, right? Could not resist. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh, feels good to be here. It's cold though. You know what I feel like doing like right now? It's go right back home, take out those charts and start planning the next vacation. Oh, I'm so much in the mood you wouldn't believe. I'm already imagining that it's this summer, that I'm hearing the big tractor right around the corner to pull the boat out. Yeah. Oh gosh. Maybe this is gonna help. The Warwick restaurant, right? From the Trent Severn. Oh, come on, yeah. Who's with me? Bye, baby. I'll see you later. I'll come over a few times during the winter. Why are you guys so silent? Why aren't you roaring? Yeah, big girl. You stay right there. Don't move. I'll come back for you. You can count on that. Well, my friends, look at all the snow, right? From yesterday to today, November 10th. It's official now. The boating season is done. I'm done. Yeah, but fortunately, we're going to look at some beautiful moments that we had during this summer. And with that, I think it's fair to say we're going to see you guys on the next one. Bye for now. And here we are at Long Island Locks. Back on the Rideau. By foot though, but oh, that's all right. If someone was to ask me, Frank, what is it really like to have a boat? I would say it's... Oh, there's an interesting thing here happening. You see on this side?